Hi, I'm Xenia, Apache Ignite PMC member and Director of Community Relations at GridGain. I've been helping Ignite community for the last 4 years through a variety of public activities. Awareness about technology is one of the keys to its success, and Apache Ignite is no different. Apache Software Foundation encourages contributing to the promotion as well as to code or documentation. That's why today I'm here to highlight and celebrate the ways we can make Apache Ignite a more successful project beyond code and development. There are so many ways, both big and small, to contribute to Apache Ignite awareness and adoption, like creating blogs, recording videos, making tutorials, and presenting it at online and offline events, and so many more. Well, where can we meet these dedicated people and see their contributions? Until now, all this information was scattered around many community resources, including mailing lists and Twitter, if you have time to scroll down. A common problem keeps coming. Every time we do something nice, like host an event, people are coming with the question, where are the links? Well, there is a place now. Take a look at the recently updated Apache Ignite website. Open the community page, and here you can meet both code and non-code contributors. This widget is the part of non-code recognition service. That's the system where all project awareness contributions, blogs, tutorials, demos, presentations, and so on are gathered in one place. Here, you can see contributors who shared their expertise the most. You can also check the most active igniters in this and previous quarter, this and previous year. One contribution gives 1 point, just like the code contributions on the GitHub. Click on the photo and you will get to the profile, where all contributions of all types and all time are listed. On the Contributions tab, you will find contributions of all types, sorted by time. You can filter by time, you can filter by type, or you can use tags. For example, you can check all the 2021 blogs related to the upcoming Ignite 3.0. And here we are. To be listed, your contribution needs to be originally created and publicly available. That's all. At the moment, we add them to recognition service manually. So if you created something new, or missed anything, or mixed up the tags, don't hesitate to send a message to the dev list and CC me. All the contacts are in the description. Or just mention Apache Ignite on Twitter. Cheers, and hope to see you soon.